Alrighty guys, we're hooked up. We are hooked up. What do we got? What do we got here? Get this net ready. Hopefully I don't bump my camera. It doesn't feel big. Ooh, little air time. Oh man. Oh no, no. Oh guys, I got him. I got him. I got him. Yeah, oh, it's so wrapped up in my net. Oh. I'm gonna try to just keep him in the water for now. Oh, number one. My net got like flipped upside down and then my hook. I'll see if I can show you guys. Like my net is completely flipped inside out. This is utter chaos when this happens. Especially when you're on a kayak, like. Yeah, baby! Heck yeah, man. That's my first brown.
Hell yeah.
I'll figure that out later. Let me show you guys this fish.
Grip them good.
Yeah.
Get some picks, man.
Look at that. That's number one.
Yeah.
It's a little guy, but hey, that is my first brown trout ever. Look at that. Just a nice little guy. Heck yeah, man.
Yeah, baby.
Heck yeah. All right, I'm gonna set him back in the net till we get stuff figured out here. All right, guys, let's get a quick release on him. Or her, I guess. All right. Oh, see you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks, dude.
Heck yeah, hey dude, thanks for bringing me out here. This is freaking,
Hell yeah.
this is awesome.
Let's get
This is awesome.
that way you don't catch one, we're just gonna keep doing it.
Yeah.
That way. Every time.
Why? They gotta be setting up weird.
Yeah,
You're like,
there's a little bit of current on it or something.
yeah. Let's go. Here, I'll give you this.
Oh.
Got it?
Yeah.
Money. Perfect, dude. Boom! Let's go, baby. Let's go. That's number one for me. It's my first ever. We are out in Milwaukee, just out yakking, living the yak life. This is awesome. This is awesome. Stay tuned. More action to come. It's only number one for me. Ryan's already got two, so like, that's 3 fish in 3 passes. And we didn't even start the 3rd pass, really.
No, we got like 20 yards in.
Let's go. Let's go. Alrighty, guys, just got that fish released. Letting Ryan just get a little ahead of me here, but pretty much what we're doing is there's just a little rock wall that Ryan's running 2 planer boards and then just one right out the back. I'm just running one right out the back. We're just pretty much running this like big boulder wall that's probably 200 yards long, and we're just going down, turning around, coming right back, and it seems like we're only getting them when we're going like down away from where we came in, and then when we turn around and do the same thing back, seems like they don't want to hit. But this is my first time like ever kayak fishing, pretty much my first time ever being in a kayak, so like just to be able to do this and come out here on Lake Michigan is just freaking insane. This is awesome. But we're gonna keep grinding out. I think we might do a pass or 2 more. Go grab some grub, maybe come back out. So this is awesome. This is freaking awesome. Huge shout out to Ryan for bringing me out here. Catching browns in the yak. Let's go. Let's freaking go. This is just insane. This is something I've never done, like ever in my entire life. So like, just to come out and target a new species that I've never caught and actually catch one out of a kayak, like, this is freaking awesome. This is awesome. Thank you guys for staying tuned. There's more to come. Alrighty guys, so we came to the next marina and we absolutely crashed. We took like a 3-hour nap. It was a grinder, but hey, we are at a different boat ramp. We're heading out there. Sun decided to poke out and it is a gorgeous day. Perfect evening. Water is glass. Let's go. Let's have some fun.
Let's get out of here. Let's go fishing.
Alrighty guys, I'm just trolling a little jerk bait, dives 4 to 9 feet, something like that, and just got my rod in the little rod holder right there, and I'm just paddling, just going to town. So I'm gonna try to catch one, try to hook up. But what an unreal view. Sun's just setting. Downtown Milwaukee, urban kayak fishing, you gotta love it. Alrighty guys, sun is setting and we did pretty decent today. Not bad for my first time in a kayak, and the call over here laid the hammer down on a biggin, so that was always fun. But we got kind of a paddle to get back to where we parked the truck, and the sun's going down quick. But what do you got to say?
I don't know, man. It's pretty sweet. Came out in the afternoon, got a couple more bites, just didn't hook up, but it's like a perfect day out.
Oh,
I mean, we just showed up in the middle of the night, and it was like a perfect day to be out the yak.
yeah.
So.
Like even if we didn't catch anything, it was just
it
nice to be out.
I mean, glass for half the day out here.
Yeah, you can't complain about that.
So we'll see what happens tomorrow. I think we got a decent game plan. We put a little pattern together today.
Yep, definitely.
See if we can keep it going.
Heck yeah. So if you guys can go down here, like, subscribe, share, I'd really appreciate it. And thank you guys so much for watching. Until tomorrow, until the next day, until the next time I post, stay tuned. You won't be pissed.